Sometimes questions are asked based on difference between compound interest and the simple interest. So for this lecture, let's learn how to solve these kind of questions. Now let's get into type 3. In this, they generally ask us to find the difference of compound interest and simple interest. Before we solve the questions, let's derive the formula to calculate difference between compound interest and simple interest. First, let's do for 2 years. We need compound interest minus simple interest. Simple interest we already know, it is PRT by 100, that is time is 2 years, so 2 into PR by 100, that becomes PR by 50. Now compound interest is CI equals P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square minus 1. So let's expand this. This is P into 1 plus R square by 100 square plus 2R by 100 minus 1. In this, 1 will be cancelled. Now the left out elements are PR square by 100 square plus 2PR by 100. 2 and 100 can be cancelled. It can be written as PR by 50. Alright, we got compound interest and we got simple interest. We just need to subtract. So when we do that, this leads to, in this quantity will be cancelled with this. So we are left with PR square by 100 square. This is the answer for 2 years. Now for 3 years, I'll directly give you the formula. I'm not deriving it, but you can make a note of this in your book. It is PR square into 300 plus R by 100 cube. It's better to memorize the formula because if you try to derive this in the examination center, it takes a lot of time. Okay, let's look into the application of this formula. Here is the first question. What will be the difference between the simple interest and compound interest earned on a sum of rupees 985 at 14% interest at the end of 2 years? So let me write the given data first. Principal is rupees 985, rate is 14%, time is 2 years, and we are supposed to calculate the difference. Now for 2 years, we already know the formula. Difference is PR square by 100 square. Now once we substitute the values, this is 985 into 14 into 14 by 100 into 100, and when we solve this, this is rupees 19.306, that is option C. Let's do one more. What will be the approximate difference in the simple and compound interest accrued on an amount of rupees 2600 at the rate of 15% per annum at the end of 3 years? Again, for this, let me write the given data. Principal is rupees 2600, rate is 15%, time is 3 years, and we are supposed to calculate the difference. And we already know for 3 years the difference is PR square into 300 plus R by 100 cube. In this, let me substitute. This is 2600. R square, that is 15 square, that will be 225 into 300 plus R, 300 plus 15, that is 315, divided by 100 cube. So 100 into 100 into 100. So this is 26 into 2.25 into 3.15. This is 184.275. So approximately this is rupees 184. Generally, questions from this topic are pretty simple and direct. So practice well and also memorize the formulas thoroughly.